hear the tire chirp? Never did that before. Never did that before. Welcome back to another Joyride video. It has been a while. Decided to pick the camera up. So if you hear all this noise in the background, they're out here on the crazy cart and the Power Wheels. Probably take this out for a little joyride today. The Civic. I just basically went with like a little budget car stereo, something cheap. You can get all this stuff off of Amazon, super cheap. I'm not trying to dump a bunch of money into this, but this is basically the same head unit that I put in the Eclipse. Got like the CarPlay and all that stuff. Works perfect. So I figured if I'm gonna make this thing my little commuter car, I'm gonna go ahead and upgrade the stereo, because the stereo in this thing just sounds like garbage. So we're gonna upgrade and put some speakers. I just kind of kept everything the same. Plus this stuff is like super cheap on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description, so if you guys want to. So I did say that whatever the video made, the video that we first introduced the Civic to the channel, I did say that whatever that video makes, we will spend on the car, no matter what. That video, I did look, it's not good. Just to kind of give you guys, basically for 8,000 views, 8,500, I don't know if you guys could see that, $62.21. So we got $62.21 to spend on this Civic. And I've already spent more than that on the car. So I get on Temu, I was like, what can we get for $62? Logan was like, let's get a wing. Let's get on Temu, let's order a wing for it. Like just something stupid. But this, I'm not gonna count this. This obviously is more than $62 because this is something I would have done regardless. We did get a wing, and it's from Temu because right now we are on a Temu budget. 60 bucks, you're not gonna get much for 60 bucks. Probably should have went with that one right there. We gotta get Logan over here for this. So we got this wing. Remember the wing that we ordered off at Temu? And what did you say before? You said they were probably gonna send us a picture of one. So I was like, you know what? Let's order a wing off at Temu, and whatever we get, we put it on the Civic. But we did get one. It's a little smaller than what we thought it was gonna be.
Where is it?
It's in the garage. You need help carrying this thing? Huh?
Maybe. Can you help me carry it?
Oh yeah, you're gonna need help carrying this thing. So this is the wing that we got off it. Does it go on by two-sided tape? How long does this thing gonna? It actually kind of looks cool. Just to give you guys a comparison, Temu wing on a real wing. You want to put it on? All right. You think it's gonna make it faster? It will. It's gonna make it faster.
I don't want to put it on.
You don't want to put it on? Well, buddy, I don't think it's going to last very long because look how it sticks on. It's like two-sided tape. Well, probably the first time going down the road, it's going to blow off. We're going to stick a GoPro on the back window and see how long it lasts, too. What do you think?
I believe you.
You believe me? It's going to make it faster? What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead. We're going to get all the car stereo, speakers, all that stuff installed in the Civic. And I think what we should do, because every time I get in this Eclipse, it takes me back early 2000s, like throwback back in the day when we used to have sound systems. I've been throwing around the idea, I think I want to put a sub and amp, old school, kind of bring back the nostalgia of like sound systems, because I feel like sound systems aren't as popular, don't hit like they used to back in the day. You know what, I'm gonna put one in the Civic too. I'm gonna put one in both cars. In the day, every car I got had a sound system in it. Every car. And I have not put a sound system in a car, and it's been, well, Logan's 11. I've never had one in a car. You know, you don't ever remember me having a sound system in a car, do you? No, we're gonna bring back sound system. We're gonna put one in the Eclipse, because anytime I install a new car stereo and all that stuff in any vehicle, I will go ahead and run power cables, everything for a sub and amp. So it's already wired for a sub and amp, so I wanna put one in the Eclipse. And I think that's what we're gonna do. We'll put one in this car too. Should we do two different setups, see which one hits better? What should we do?
Two different setups.
Mama's home. What's Mama doing? Huh? What do you got?
With your shorts.
Yeah, she had to change.
Do you want to see my tire?
See your tire? You hit a curb? This is gonna be on the video. You wanna tell them what you did?
I hit a curb.
Okay, all right.
But I don't get tickets.
Oh, so are those shots fired at me?
Yeah.
Oh,
and
whatever.
I don't normally hit curbs. This is the first time.
Okay. So,
because you stress me out.
I stress you out? Whatever. What's up, Amanda?
What's up, man?
Holy! Oh wow, that thing is a. Did you see our wing that we got from Temu? That's our Temu wing. Aww. What do you think?
Looks correct.
We're basically installing the speakers and stuff for the Red Rocket. Just getting all the fun stuff. The kids are out here just riding all their toys and all their stuff. There's something wrong with that kid.
Are you gonna fix my tire?
Yes, I'll fix your tire. We'll have to get another one.
Are you gonna guilt trip me?
Guilt trip and punishments coming. Let's get all this stuff installed. I'm already you guys don't know this, I'm already started running power wires and remote wires and the RCAs and all that stuff. So I'm already ahead of you guys. You're hot. I know, it's getting warm out. You know what that means? Summertime is coming. And beach and vacations, RV trips.
And then we're gonna go camping again?
Yep. Are you excited? Is that your favorite thing to do is camp? She loves camping. What about you, buddy?
Yeah.
So let's get all this done. I'm not gonna bore you guys with all this install stuff, but we will show you guys once it's done. Get the speaker. It's in there, and then it goes in that hole back there. You think you can do this? Oh yeah, this one's a lot more gooder than the old one. Where is the old one at? Look at this. This old one. That thing is done. It's so brittle. Look at that. Compared to, and then even the magnet on the back. Oh yeah, this thing's gonna hit way more. Dude, look at that.
Also, it has red on it, and Logan's favorite color.
Does red mean it's louder? Well, let's try to put it in there. See how it goes in that back up there? We're not gonna, I don't think this was gonna work. I think we're probably not gonna be able to use that. Think you got it? Oh yeah. Look at the other one. See how the other one is? You're good. Yep, you got it. Yep, that works. That works. We'll just plug it in and let it go. Is it in there? It's in there. Look at that, girl. Now we only gotta just plug the wires in. Then we'll be good. See, now you know how to install stereo speakers. That's trash. What do you want to do with that old speaker, Lena? You want to run it over with your power wheels? All right, let's do it. She is excited. All right, you ready? Set, go. Oh, she's spinning the tires. Whoa. Oh, yeah. Here, you want to do a burnout on it? Up the rear, buddy. All right. Hold on, hold on. Whoa. Uh-oh. Here, hold on a second.
It's cracked.
Oh, yeah. You want to put it back in the car, see how it sounds? I think it's done.
Or put it in the dumpster.
In the dumpster?
Yeah. Then it will be gone.
Started. All right.
I'm
And
hot.
yeah, I know, it is hot out. So, this is the head unit. Hopefully it's not upside down. And then, all right, here, Lena, you want to push it all the way in? Here, you got it? Push it. Oh, you felt it click. Yep, it's in there. And then, let's see. Okay, it's a little tight. Here we go. All right, finishing touches. Finishing touches. You want to put this on? Look at that. Easy peasy. What do you think?
No, easy lemmy squeezy.
Oh, okay.
That's how you always say it.
That's how you say it?
No, that's how you always say it.
Oh, let's see. Put it in reverse. And look at that. Well, the trunk is open, so now we're looking at the sky. So, everything works. Right? What is it? Easy what?
Easy lemon squeezy.
So that's done.
That's loud.
Logan's like, it shakes the car. Does it? It's got a little bass to it, doesn't it? When you put a sub and amp in, wait till you hear that. See how your hair is? It's gonna be like this. Your hair is gonna be jumping. You don't even know yet, buddy. Now we gotta get this wing on here. All right, you ready to do this? Or are we gonna, where are we gonna put it? Like right centered, right? You wanna put it right towards the rear. What do we got here? Oh yeah. Oh, you got like a little tool? Look at that. You can use these for modifying your cars too. Let's get the little stands. Got the stands. Woo!
What's that?
Okay, so we got, is there, I guess they're both the same, so we can go either way.
We're missing a nut. Yeah, there's 3. Isn't there supposed to be 4?
Did one fall out? I don't know. Put some glue on it, tighten them up.
Center?
What are you thinking, like right there, bud? All right, you ready to stick it on?
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be like way bigger.
All right, you ready to stick this thing on?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna try to line it up. We're gonna clean this with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. It cleans all the surface. Or what do you think, like right there?
Yeah.
Because you don't want it to be forced. Oh, this actually, buddy, this might stay. I don't think that's coming off.
What did you pay for the spoiler?
I think it was like 20 bucks. I'm not sure, but we still got $40 to spend on this car, bud. Hit a little glamour shot on that. Look at that. Race car right there. Kind of funny, isn't it? We're gonna hop on the interstate and see if this thing holds up.
I think it's gonna hold.
I think it's gonna, give it a little wiggle. Show them how strong this is, bud. That's pretty solid. It looks pretty even too, doesn't it? This is so dumb. Do you think it's gonna fall off? Do you think it's gonna fall?
No.
At first I was like, it's gonna fall. Yeah, let's wait till that rooster's done crowing. At first I was like, this thing's definitely gonna fall, like first time going down the road. But then now that it's on and I can actually feel, like, I don't think it's gonna fall. I think by cleaning the surface with rubbing alcohol, we probably shouldn't have done that, so it would fall. Cause I'll be honest with you, I kind of want it to fall. Then if it falls and we go get like a real wing or something to put on there, cause I don't know, I think like a little like lip, something small on there, or like an SI wing. The big wings like that, I'm not like a huge fan of them, but on the Eclipse, it looks good. We're gonna step over here into Mama's garden, see what she's got going on over here, give you guys a little garden update. Some of the OGs here on the channel, you guys know every once in a while we give you guys an update in Mama's garden, putting in all these T-posts. What's Mama got going on over here?
I'm building a fence.
You're building a fence?
And an arch.
What's up, Amanda?
What's up?
You wanna tell them why you're putting in this fence?
Because last year, the deer,
Uh-huh.
the chickens, and the bunnies ate everything.
They did.
They even ate, show them my blueberry bushes.
Your blueberry bushes?
They ate them down to nose.
Oh, wow. You're putting these things around them, right?
Yeah, and I have to build, that cherry tree over there has one.
Oh, okay.
I'm building this.
All right. Do you want to check out the wing that we put on the car? The Temu wing. What are you slapping, Laura?
Got some junk in the trunk.
Oh yeah? That's my junk. Check out the wing I put on the Civic.
Oh my gosh! So super cool.
What do you think, babe?
Yeah, that's some aerodynamics right there.
Oh yeah, I think it made it faster. It's definitely going to be a lot more faster.
I mean, you might lift and take off.
Really?
That might
Get
lift
in
it off.
the air.
Yeah.
Depending on the weight of your car.
Holy crap. Hold on, pop the trunk and see if you can lift the trunk with it. Oh yeah, you can. It's a trunk handle.
Car in neutral and you can
Pull it.
maneuver it in the parking spot.
See, I don't think it's going to come off. Yeah.
When it up, it was moving.
All right.
the car.
Logan and I are going to take a ride down the road and go hit the Starbucks, maybe go get us an acai bowl. And because I seen yours
I
sitting.
just put mine out.
We're going to see if this thing holds up. Let's do this. You ready? Looking through the mirror, you can't even see the wing because it's like right behind the third brake light. Camera connection lost. I'm already feeling like the wing is providing the, you know, the proper downforce. I could just feel it. Did you hear the tire chirp? Never did that before. Never did that before. So it lifted the front tires up to allow the front tires to chirp. Yeah, you guys need this. Never did that before. Now that it's got the proper downforce that it needed, she's chirping the tires. The head unit is so nice. You can move it up and down. So we got 40 bucks left in the Civic budget. What should we get?
I think Temu has wheels.
Dude, that might be, that'd be funny. This whole car gets modded by Temu. So far, the wing is still holding up. Does Temu even sell wheels? We'll have to look it up. We are about to hop on the interstate, and we're gonna get up to 70, 75. Speed limit on the interstate here is 70.
Why are we going 0?
We haven't fixed that yet. It randomly decides if it wants to work sometime. Now we're doing 18 or 40 or 47. You see that? 47. 54. There's 75. 76. So, dude, she's still on there. Could be too much downforce. It just, that size provides that right percentage. We'll just tell people that we got it custom made for the percentage of downforce we needed.
Okay.
For the frap. Hey, thank you.
Have a good night.
You too. Alright, so we got our drinks. We're gonna do another little deal. If this video does good, you wanna do that same thing again, whatever money this video makes, we'll put back into the Civic again and see what the next mod is that we get. And if this video hits over 10, what do you wanna do? 10,000 views, since the other one only did 8.5. So this video that you're watching now, if it makes over 10,000 views, we'll take it through the car wash with the wing and see how it does through a car wash. What do you think? I don't think it's gonna make it through a car wash. Do you? It won't make it through a car wash. I think Mama and Amanda, they're making dinner. I think, what are they making? Chicken Parmesan? We will check back in once we get back to the house. We'll transition them, buddy. What are we doing, Lena? You wanna tell everybody what we're doing?
Playing wrestling.
You're playing wrestling? So these kids are obsessed with wrestling. This is like a new thing. Laura and Amanda are. So then what are we gonna do after we eat, babe?
Fire!
Salad. Did you just toot?
Yeah, absolutely. I thought nobody would.
Amanda made some of her famous chicken parmesan. Oh, that looks good. Name that frog, right?
What?
You don't know? What's your frog's name?
Bus.
So I kissed ball sack, is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Frog's name is Princess.
The other frog's name is Princess.
Bus.
She's crazy, isn't she?
That's been her frog for 2 years now, right? 2 years?
Yeah, it's been 2 years. And this frog's just like always hanging out here, isn't it?
I don't know if it's the same one, but she thinks it is.
Look at this. So kids got the charcuterie. Is it a charcuterie board? Is that what it's really called or no?
Charcuterie.
Holy crap, that marshmallow's dark, buddy. You burnt that thing.
That's a good way to do that.
Yeah.
Eat Mama.
What's little Lena doing? Look at her. She's got her apron and everything on. When we were in the store, hun, she was pretty much... You want to tell mommy what you were doing to me in the store, Lena? She was telling me, like, don't get distracted. Don't look at the cars.
Get distracted. Like
Yeah.
that whole, like, oh, we're going to take forever at the store. No, you take forever.
Okay. I'll clip that in here, Lena, of you at the store.
We got marshmallows, graham crackers. We got chocolate and
S'mores. Are you excited?
but you can't get distracted.
I can't get distracted with what... So she won't let me look at toy cars. Lena, can we go look at toy cars?
No,
Oh, man.
you have to be patient.
She is so like, she gets that after her mom. So bossy.
We have to get the things that we need.
Okay.
We can't get distracted.
Okay.
If you walk over there and go in the car, I'll yell at you.
You're gonna yell at me?
Yeah, what Mama doesn't like, that gives her a headache. So
Gives her a headache?
Yeah, that's how she gets her.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Oh, did you record it?
Yeah, I did. I picked up the camera because she was just...
Good thing you would have been there. You
Whatever.
did. You were pretty quick and I was surprised.
well, that was because of Lena. Cinnamon graham crackers, chocolate, regular, dark chocolate, and then these are the caramel Hershey's, and then the regular Hershey's, and of course Reese's. We're gonna just sit here, hang out by the fire. What are you doing?
Something bad.
You see him? I don't see him. So you want to wrap this video up with me? No, you don't want to finish it? Because we're going to just sit out here by the fire, enjoy the evening, hang out, relax. Is that good? No, it's not good? Just decided to just kind of pick up the camera, give you guys a vlog. I know it's been a while. I know this footage right here that I'm wrapping the video up on isn't that great because I'm filming this with my cell phone and it's dark out. So hope you guys enjoyed this. Yep, that's what we're gonna tell them. Bye. We're gonna try not to make them wait an entire month for another video. What do you think? You want to try to get them a video next week? Okay, we're gonna try not to let you guys wait an entire month for a video. Yeah. My foot. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh, hope you guys enjoyed this video. We will see you guys in the next video. Peace.